Hi, welcome to our channel of IGNOU Audiobooks, Indira Gandhi National Open University, School of Agriculture, SOA, Awareness Program on Value-Added Products from Fruits and Vegetables, ARP, NPV 001 Module 4 Processing and Value Addition Unit Structure, Canned Fruits and Vegetables 1.0 Introduction. You may have noticed that fruits and vegetables spoil very quickly. The most important cause of their spoilage is microorganisms. Some of these microorganisms may be harmful to human being. By canning process you preserve fruits and vegetables by heating. The canned products could be kept in sound condition for a very long time and eaten safely at a later time. Canned products are almost ready for consumption and you can eat them with little or no preparation. 1.1 Objectives. On completing this unit you will be able to understand canning process, know various terms used frequently in canning industry, learn the process for canning of fruits and vegetables, differentiate between spoiled and sound canned products. 1.2 Canning process 1.2.1 Steps in canning. Steps involved in canning of fruits and vegetables are selection, sorting and grading, washing, peeling, slicing, coring etc., blanching, filling into cans, preparation of syrup/brine, covering with syrup/water/brine, clinching of cover over cans, exhausting, sealing, processing, heating, sealed cans, cooling and storage. Figure 1. Look at the screen. Figure 1. Steps in canning of fruits and vegetables. 1.2.2 Preparation of fruits and vegetables. For canning you should select good quality raw material of appropriate variety. Fruits should be firm ripe and vegetables should have attained full size. They are washed well in clean water, graded for quality, and peels and other inedible portions like seeds, stones and cores are removed. Fruits or vegetables of large size are cut into smaller pieces. Peeled and sliced material is kept in 2% brine. Vegetables are blanched by dipping in boiling water for 2 to 5 minutes and then rinsed quickly in cold water for a short time. Fruits are generally not blanched, but those having hard texture, like apples and pineapples, are blanched. You should fill sufficient quantity of prepared fruits or vegetables into cans. Before use, wash cans in water and sterilize them with steam. There are several types of cans. Use the cans of right type. Subsequent steps of canning are different for fruits and vegetables. They are described separately in the following sections. 1.2.3 About canned fruits. Fruits have sweet acidic taste. Therefore, they are covered with hot 40% sugar syrup, 80 to 820 C, fruit juice or water. To prepare this syrup, 673 grams good quality sugar, not sulfur sugar, is dissolved in 1 liter water by heating. You should ensure that the syrup is filled almost up to the top of the can. Acidity is the most important factor which influences safety and stability of canned fruits. The acidity is generally indicated by pH. Higher acidity will correspond to lower pH and lower acidity will be represented by higher pH. Figure 2. A simple method of checking the pH is to use pH paper. Figure 3. When a pH paper comes in contact with a food material, its color changes according to its acidity. By comparing changed color with a standard chart you can find the pH of food. Before canning, you should check whether fruit is tart or not. Some of them may not be acidic. Figure 2. In such cases you must add 3 to 5 grams citric acid to each liter of syrup. Lids are placed over the cans and clinched by seaming partially by a single first roller. Operation of a double seamer. Next, cans are exhausted by heating for 5 to 25 minutes in a tank of hot 80 to 870 C water or steam box. You should ensure that temperature at the center of cans is 75 to 800 C at the end of exhausting. Exhausted cans are sealed quickly over double seamer and placed in perforated crates. Canned fruits are processed in boiling water. Figure 2. For this purpose, you fill water in steam retorts. Do not close the lid or large water tanks and boil it by passing steam. When water starts boiling, immerse crates of cans. All the crates must be at least 2.5 centimeters below the surface of water. Keep on heating water and count the time from the moment water starts boiling again. After specified time, you should shut off steam, take out cans and put them in a tank of cold water. You must heat the cans for the specified period. Water boils at 1000 C at sea level. But at higher altitude i.e., on hills, it boils at lower temperature. Therefore, increase heating time by 2 minutes for every 150 meters increase in the altitude. For example, if the heating time required for canned fruit is 20 minutes in boiling water at sea level, it should be heated for 26 minutes at an altitude of 450 meters. Heated cans are cooled in water. Cooling should be done till your bare hands can just tolerate the heat of the cans. Air cooling at room temperature should not be done. Wipe cans surface with dry cloth and store them under shade in dry place. Figure 3. pH, low value indicates higher acidity of some fruits and vegetables. 1.2.3.1 Canning process for ripe mango slices in syrup. Look at the screen. Fig 4. Canning of mango slices in syrup. 1.2.4 About canned vegetables. Vegetables are consumed in the form of savory dishes. Therefore, prepared vegetables are filled into cans and covered with hot, 800 C or more, 1.5 to 2.5% brine. While filling, you should ensure that a space of 0.3 to half a centimeter is left empty from the top of the cans. Lids are placed over cans and clenched. To exhaust the cans, they are placed in hot water bath or steam box for 5 to 25 minutes so that temperature at their center reaches at least 750 C. The cans are taken out sealed airtight quickly using double seamer, and placed in perforated metallic grates. Vegetables, excepting few like tomatoes, are not sour. Therefore, canned vegetables are spoiled by microorganisms which are destroyed only upon prolonged, more than 7 hours, heating in boiling water. Some of these microorganisms are pathogenic which, if not destroyed, may cause even death of the consumers. Therefore, canned vegetables are processed at high temperature of 1150 to 1210 C. For this purpose, retorts at steam pressures of 0.72 to 1.06 kilograms per square centimeter, kg/cm2 are used. Crates of sealed cans are placed in steam retorts. Lid of the retort is placed in position and tightened. Outlet valves of retort are kept open and steam is injected. When stem starts blowing out freely from open valves, they are closed partially. After retort attains 1000 C, valves are closed, desired steam pressure is built up and cans are heated for the specified period. If canning factory is located at high altitude, the steam pressure should be increased by 0.035 kg/cm2 for every 305 meters increase in the altitude. At the end of specified heating period, steam supply is closed and steam release valve is opened partially. You should not open release valve fully because that may cause bursting of cans. When retort pressure becomes normal, open the lid, take out cans and cool them in cold water. Wipe their surface with dry cloth and store in cool and dry place. 1.2.4.1 Canning process for green peas. Fig 5. Canning of green peas in brine. 1.3 Testing defects of canned fruits and vegetables. Improperly processed or handled stored cans of fruits and vegetables spoil. Spoiled products develop undesirable color, appearance and offensive odor. You should never taste or market such spoiled canned products. Every batch of canned fruits and vegetables should be carefully examined. You check whether there is rusting or leakage on the external surface of cans, particularly rusted spots and seam joints of lid and can body. Hold the top of the can at level of your eyes, check its lid, rotate it in hand and see if there is any dried food particles sticking near the can seam. Normal cans will have depressed center on the lid. Flat lid or presence of dried food material indicates possibility of leakage. Bulged lids indicate gas production within cans. Such cans may be spoilt. Incubate a few normal cans at 370 C and examine them after 7 days. Next step is to examine the can material. Cut open the lid partially. You should be careful in opening bulged cans. Smell the canned product immediately after opening. Aroma should be normal and typical of the canned fruit or vegetable. There should be no gas bubble or frothing in the can liquid. Take out can material over sieve. You examine the internal surface of cans, product over sieve and liquid in the vessel. Normal appearance and smell shows that can product is wholesome and free from defects. 1.4 Fruits and vegetables which can be canned. Table 1. Commonly canned fruits and vegetables: fruits, apple, apricot, cherry, guava, lychee, mango, papaya, peach, fruit cocktail, pineapple, jams, pickles, etc. Pear vegetables: spinach, pumpkin, curried vegetables, mushroom, okra, peas, potato, beans, carrots, cauliflower, baby corn. 1.5 Keeping quality canned fruits and vegetables should be stored under shade, away from direct sunlight, in a clean, cool and dry place. Temperature of storeroom should be less than 360 C. Under such conditions, canned shelf life is up to 2 years. 1.6 Let us sum up. Fruits and vegetables can be profitably preserved by canning them during harvesting season. Canning involves 13 steps. Choose tin can according to the type of raw material. Fill prepared fruit or vegetable in cans, cover with hot syrup or brine, exhaust and seal them. Process the cans by heating them for recommended time at specified temperature. This is the most critical step, and safety and stability of canned product depends upon it. Processed cans should be cooled and stored in cool and dry place. Thank you for watching. We will see you in the next video with the next chapter.